But sometimes the most boring charts hide the most exciting opportunities.
Today, we're digging into a really fascinating analysis from stock market technician Joe. He thinks he's spotted a powerful setup in one of the market's most important sectors, and it's a pattern you're going to want to know about.
So what's the big deal here? Well, work is pointing to this recurring technical pattern that's showing up across a bunch of major energy stocks. It suggests that a period of, stored energy might be ready to be released. The charts look kind of quiet right now, but that quiet might just be the most telling signal of all.
All right, so here's how we're going to break this down. First, we'll look at the key signal he's identified in the energy space. Then we're going to get into the anatomy of this breakout pattern he's seeing. After that, we'll see where else it's popping up. And finally, we'll take a quick pulse check on the overall market to see if conditions are right for this to play out.
Let's kick things off with a stock everybody knows, ExxonMobil. Now, if you look at its chart on the surface, you might just yawn. It looks like it's been doing a whole lot of nothing, just moving sideways. But sometimes the most boring charts hide the most exciting opportunities.
See, according to this sideways action isn't a sign of weakness at all. It's what technicians call a constructive consolidation phase. And the key is that it happened right after a really, really strong move up, which is exactly the kind of behavior you want to see. And this quote just nails a classic technical concept. The $100 level, which used to be a ceiling or resistance, is now acting as a floor or support. For traders, that kind of role reversal is a textbook sign of real underlying strength in a stock.
So how does this idea of a support level fit into the bigger picture? Well, this is where it identifies a very specific three-part setup that signals a potential breakout. And this is really the core of the whole analysis, the thing you'll want to learn to spot.
Think of it like a sprinter. First, there's that powerful sprint. That's your strong prior move. Then, the sprinter catches their breath, right? That's the sideways consolidation. And all the while, their body is getting ready for the next race to begin. The strength is proven, the energy is being stored, and the technicals are basically reloading for another launch.